Ever pondered upon the thought of having internet connectivity in the most remote corners of our planet? Imagine a world where the internet isn't restricted by geographical boundaries, where the rural and urban, the developed and underdeveloped, all share the same digital space. This is no longer a mere figment of our imagination, thanks to the marvel of technology known as Starlink. Starlink, a revolutionary project by Elon Musk's SpaceX, aims to blanket the Earth with high-speed internet coverage. But how does it achieve this seemingly impossible task? The answer lies in the stars, quite literally. Starlink uses a constellation of thousands of small satellites, all orbiting in the low Earth orbit, also known as LEO. These satellites form a mesh network in space, communicating with each other using laser light, just like how fiber optic cables work on Earth. Down on Earth, all one needs is a small dish, affectionately known as Dishy McFlatface by the Starlink community, to tap into this network. This dish communicates with the nearest Starlink satellite overhead, which in turn connects to the wider network. In essence, Starlink is providing space-based internet connectivity, bypassing the need for traditional ground-based infrastructure. To summarize, Starlink is a game-changer in the world of internet connectivity. It promises to deliver high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of the globe. It achieves this by deploying a mesh network of satellites in low Earth orbit, which communicate with each other and with the ground stations using laser light. The user only needs a small dish to connect to this network. Despite the promise of universal internet access, challenges still remain. Issues like regulatory hurdles, cost of deployment, and potential space debris are all factors that Starlink must contend with. Nonetheless, the potential benefits of Starlink, bridging the digital divide and enabling global connectivity, are truly transformative. So, next time when you gaze up at the night sky, remember those twinkling lights could very well be your next internet connection. A world where the internet is truly for everyone, everywhere, is not just a dream, but a reality that is being shaped by Starlink. Scene script, voiceover. Now that we've discussed what Starlink is and how it works, let's delve into the practicalities. We're going to show you what the Starlink kit looks like and how to set it up. Images of the Starlink kit appear on screen. Here we have the Starlink kit. It includes a phased array antenna, a mounting tripod, a power supply, and a Wi-Fi router. Images of each item as they are named. The phased array antenna, also known as Dishy McFlatface, is what you'll use to connect to those satellites we talked about earlier. Images of Dishy McFlatface. The mounting tripod will allow you to place the antenna in the best position for a clear view of the sky. Images of the mounting tripod and its placement. The power supply and Wi-Fi router will provide the necessary power and connectivity to get you online. Images of the power supply and Wi-Fi router. Now, let's move to the installation process. Images of the installation process start. First, find a clear view of the sky and set up your tripod. Then attach Dishy McFlatface to the mount. Connect the cables from Dishy to the power supply, and then connect the Wi-Fi router to the power supply as well. Images showing each step. Once everything is connected, power it up. The Starlink app will guide you through the rest of the setup, including fine-tuning your dish's position for the best signal, images of the app and fine-tuning process. And there you have it, your very own connection to the cosmos, providing high-speed internet courtesy of Starlink. Images of a fully set-up Starlink kit. Remember, the future of internet connectivity is here, and it's coming from the stars.